Welcome to my vlog. In today's video, we're exploring one of Singapore's vibrant tourist attractions, Haji Lane, a hub of Muslim culture. We'll start our journey from Bugis MRT station and walk past the Golden Landmark complex and the nearby mall before heading into Kampong Glam and finally arriving at Haji Lane. Along the way, I'll highlight all the iconic spots, perfect for photo opportunities, so be sure to stick around until the end. You won't want to miss any of the incredible sights before your visit. Let's get started. From Bugis MRT station, take exit A. Once you're outside, turn right and head toward the Golden Landmark complex. As you walk, you'll notice the bustling atmosphere and vibrant shops around you. The Golden Landmark complex is a great spot to explore, with its mix of retail and dining options that reflect the multicultural vibe of Singapore. At this point, you'll really get to experience the rich culture of the Muslim community in the area. The most famous mosque, Sultan Mosque, is just nearby. Its stunning golden dome and intricate architecture make it a must-see landmark. As we continue walking, you'll feel the vibrant atmosphere filled with unique shops and cafes that celebrate the heritage of the community. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a stroll around Sultan Mosque to soak in the atmosphere. As we walk, you'll notice the beautiful architecture and the vibrant energy of the area. The mosque is a central part of the community, and you can often see locals and visitors alike appreciating its beauty. Before we head into Haji Lane, there's an amazing art wall street that you definitely don't want to miss. This area is filled with colorful murals and street art, showcasing the creativity of local artists. It's a fantastic spot for some stunning photos and really captures the vibrant spirit of the neighborhood. Let's take a moment to explore this art-filled street before we continue on to Haji Lane. As we wander deeper into Haji Lane, you'll notice how each corner reveals something new and exciting. The vibrant colors of the shop fronts and the eclectic decor create a wonderfully Instagrammable setting. You might stumble upon local artisans showcasing their crafts or pop-up shops featuring everything from handmade jewelry to unique fashion pieces. This is the perfect place to find one-of-a-kind souvenirs that capture the essence of Singapore. Don't miss out on the local street food options too. You can find stalls and small eateries offering delicious bites, like traditional Malay snacks or fusion dishes that blend different culinary influences. As we explore, take a moment to appreciate the lively atmosphere. Street performers, laughter, and the sounds of music create a unique vibe that truly brings Haji Lane to life. It's a place where creativity and culture intersect, making it a highlight of any visit to Singapore. Let's continue to discover all the hidden treasures this vibrant lane has to offer. Walking through the vibrant shops at Haji Lane feels like stepping into Singapore's heart of creativity. This narrow, colorful street is brimming with independent boutiques, artisan shops, and unique fashion labels that make it one of the city's best spots for uncovering hidden treasures. The walls are decorated with eclectic street art, which adds an extra burst of color to the already vibrant surroundings. Each shop seems to have its own character, with quirky displays that invite you to step inside and explore. From bohemian-style dresses to handcrafted jewelry, the shops here cater to every style and taste. Local designers showcase their best pieces, and it's easy to find one-of-a-kind items that make for perfect souvenirs or statement wardrobe additions. As you walk further down, you'll come across cozy cafes and dessert spots offering a sweet break from shopping. With their colorful facades and unique themes, these little eateries are just as photogenic as the lane itself. The energy in Haji Lane is contagious, with lively music spilling out of stores and a buzz of conversation as people browse. Many shops feature vintage finds, handmade crafts, and even upcycled goods, giving an artsy, sustainable vibe to the area. This bohemian haven draws both locals and tourists alike, who come here not just for shopping but for the vibrant ambience, making every walk through Haji Lane feel like an adventure in itself. As you continue your stroll down Haji Lane, there's another must-see section waiting just around the corner, a part of the lane that's often missed by the casual wanderer. Follow me as we turn into a few hidden nooks and crannies where Haji Lane's spirit really comes to life. The crowds thin out slightly, and you'll notice more cafes with cozy seating arrangements, offering perfect spots for a relaxed break. These cafes serve refreshing drinks, artisanal coffee, and even craft beers, making them ideal for unwinding as you people watch or take in the street art. Along this end of Haji Lane, you'll find popular chill-out spots where locals and tourists alike come to escape the bustling city for a moment of peace. At this side of the lane, the shops have a more curated feel, showcasing minimalist designs and handmade goods from local artists, giving you a chance to take in Singapore's creative talent. The whole walk from one end of Haji Lane to the other lets you experience a blend of excitement and relaxation, ending at some of the most popular spots for a laid-back vibe that makes it well worth the journey. If you're looking for a vibrant spot near Haji Lane with plenty of food and beer options, Bali Lane is where you'll want to go. Located just a short walk from Haji Lane, Bali Lane offers a similarly colorful, artsy vibe, with murals and eclectic decor that bring an extra splash of energy to the area. This street has a slightly more laid-back vibe than Haji Lane but is equally lively, especially in the evenings when the street comes alive with music and chatter. Bali Lane is packed with casual eateries, bars, and shisha lounges that make it a great spot to kick back with friends. Many bars along this street have outdoor seating, ideal for enjoying a cold beer or cocktail while soaking in the vibrant surroundings. The food options range from Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine to local fusion dishes, and many spots serve platters that are perfect for sharing. With the mix of street art, unique shop houses, and a chill atmosphere, Bali Lane is a fantastic extension of Haji Lane for anyone looking to enjoy colorful surroundings, great food, and a relaxed beer-friendly vibe. Just around the corner from Haji Lane, you'll find Arab Street, another vibrant and colorful part of Singapore that's perfect for a laid-back exploration. Like Haji Lane, Arab Street is bursting with life, with rows of shop houses painted in bold hues and intricate designs that reflect the area's rich heritage. This street has its own unique vibe, blending traditional Middle Eastern influences with a modern, artsy flair. Arab Street is known for its textile shops, where fabric stores display rolls of stunning materials in every color and pattern imaginable, from batik to silk to chiffon. Many shops here have been run by families for generations, and they offer everything from bespoke tailoring to ready-made designs. The textiles and craftsmanship bring a unique cultural richness that's beautifully woven into the street's identity. As you stroll along Arab Street, you'll also find cozy cafes with low tables and plush cushions, perfect for sipping tea, coffee, or refreshing mocktails. The aroma of Middle Eastern spices fills the air from nearby restaurants, which serve up dishes like hummus, kebabs, and biryani, adding to the sensory experience of the street. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed exploring with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll be the first to know when we post something new. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.